Okay, so here I have, this is the unboxing of this Star Trek Tarot deck and guidebook. Let's see. Been wanting to open this for a while, but haven't had the chance to. So, here we go. Got a little book here. Okay. Got here. Let's see. I wonder if it says how many cards it's supposed to have, because I know that I think it's 78 cards. There's supposed to be 78 cards, so 78 cards. Do this. So we got data as the Fool. Make sure we count them. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These feel a little different than you know, most tarot cards. Have a different feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 78 cards. Okay, just making sure that they were here. So, yeah. Data as the Fool, the Magician, I forgot the name, High Priestess, the Empress, I like that fits very well. The Emperor, I don't know, but I think, well, I think Captain Picard should be the Emperor, but they got him as the Emperor. Hierophant, the Lovers, Chariot, Strength, the Hermit. I don't know who this guy is. I think he might. I'm not sure. Is this Dad's father? I'm not sure. I can't remember. Let's see. Wheel of Fortune? Justice. Okay. The Hangman. Death? Oh my gosh. Temperance. He's the devil too. Okay. The Tower. The Star. Yeah, that fits very well. The Moon. Why? The Sun? Okay. Judgment. The World. King of Cloaks. Queen of Cloaks. Knight of Cloaks. Page of Cloaks. And these don't actually have pictures. These are like these are the minor arcana, I guess. What is this? This is like a spaceship. Planet. This is the same thing right here. Okay, it's got the little, here's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and they just keep on adding. King of Latinum, okay. Queen of Latinum. Got this. And this here. Money. Oh, okay, I get it. This is the Pentacles. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's like the Pentacles is the Pentacles, and what is this? Water? No, this would be air. This would be air. Ten. Okay, now these goes with these over here, basically. This is the, these are the Pentacles. These would be the Pentacles, okay. So it's like the Suite, okay. Then this would be what, this would be like fire, or air? Fire. Okay. Okay, so we have the King, the Queen, the Knight, the Page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got the King, Queen, Knight, Page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is, I guess this is air, fire, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, the Queen, the King, the Queen. Wait, where's the King at? Am I missing the King here? here we go. So this is the coins. This is pentacles. You know, physical stuff. One. So the king, the queen, and the knight and the page. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so this is money, platinum. This is the fire, king, queen, knight, page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of course they, you know, all these have a meaning, so it doesn't really have a, you're just gonna have to know actually what the numbers mean. Yep. The king, queen, knight, page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and this is air or words, and this is like you know, motivation, fire. This is physical. I don't know what. Wait, yeah, here we go. So these are the these over here are the part of the major arcana. So these are the big guns, and this is King of Cloaks, Queen, King, Queen, Knight, Page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is it? There's air, earth, fire, water. Wait, so I guess this must be water. Air, fire, and earth. Okay. So air, earth, fire, and water. Okay. Or I don't know which one of these is there. Is it this one? Not sure. I guess this one must be water because it's blue. So, and then this is the major arcana. So, and the story begins with the fool, and then becomes a magician. Then they learn some stuff with the high priestess. Isn't there out of order or something? One, two, because there's supposed to be what, like 52 in the first 22 cards in the are called the major arcana, which are significant, very significant. So it's 22 of them is said? Yeah, 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Okay. So yeah, this is it. And you know, every time that, at least every time I get a new card, it's good to like clean them out with a pendulum, and you just make a command. Like this book is where I learned all this stuff. You make a command to like remove everything negative out of it, and it's good to clean them before you use them, and always like sage them too. So anything that's negative in these cards from wherever, it's not in your reading and stuff. So, and it doesn't influence it. So yeah,